Hi, this is Marty from the Dougherty Garden. Today's plants are Croton. I have two versions of the Croton. Apparently, they have a wide variety of colors and leaves, and well, I guess coloration will probably be the word for it. I have two. The one on the right is a green leaf with a stripe, a yellow stripe, would I guess would be called properly the vein of the plant, of the leaf. And on the left is a Croton with a yellow leaf. As they mature, you get more of a green leaf with a yellow spot, but all the new growth is a very pronounced yellow. A proper term for yellow, but I'm not sure. But they may have it more exact, I guess, the ones with the colors. I guess anybody that's into all these colors may come up with a variation of the yellow, but they are a beautiful landscape plant. Uh, they grow nice, take up a nice little area. The bushes, the base of the bush don't get too heavy, but once a year or once every other year, what I'll do is, as you can see, that I cut them back at about 4 feet, and this is their summer's growth. And as you can see, the yellow one is more uh, dense compared to the one on the right. So what we do is just try and, when I get my cutting tool out, I'll cut them back to the same size. And that's just Mother Nature in the Dougherty Garden and the Croton plants. I had a few other ones, but at the moment I can't place them. They may have in a small pot, so, but right now I just unlocatable. But these are the two. They're permanently in the ground and they make a nice addition to your landscape. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.